Are you looking for the best steam cleaners? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best steam cleaners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Teevogo Handheld Pressurized Steam Cleaner 650 ml. The Teevogo portable steam cleaner heats up quickly in just 15 seconds, providing you with powerful steam at 230 degrees Fahrenheit to tackle tough grime in tight spaces like bathroom grout and kitchen corners. Its upgraded safety design keeps electrical parts separate from the water tank, so you won't have to worry about leaks or waiting to refill. Speaking of refills, the large 650 ml transparent tank lets you easily monitor water levels and clean for up to 35 minutes without interruption. Plus, this lightweight cleaner weighs just 2.5 pounds, making it comfortable to use during longer cleaning sessions without tiring your wrist or arm. What we like: fast heat-up time, strong adjustable steam pressure, lightweight and portable, multiple useful attachments, chemical-free cleaning. Number 2. Labigo Handheld Steam Cleaner 13 PCS Set. The Labigo portable steam cleaner offers a powerful steam system that heats up to 230 degrees Fahrenheit, making it easy for you to remove tough dirt from grout, kitchen messes, bathroom mold, and car interiors. Its 350 ml water tank provides up to 12 minutes of continuous steam for deep cleaning. Thanks to its quick 3 to 5 minute heat-up time and 1050W power, you can start cleaning right away without waiting long. Plus, this cleaner uses only water, so you can sanitize surfaces safely around children, pets, and delicate fabrics without worrying about harsh chemicals. This makes cleaning both effective and eco-friendly for your home. What we like: powerful steam output, lightweight and portable, fast heating time, multiple useful attachments, chemical-free cleaning. Number 3. Waitebird 1500W Multi-Surface Steam Cleaner. The Waitebird Multi-Surface Steamer offers a powerful cleaning solution by heating water to over 248 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to clean deeply without using harsh chemicals. Its large 38-ounce tank means you can clean more areas without stopping to refill, making your whole house cleaning faster and more efficient. Safety is a priority with a child lock and simple one-click controls, so you can use it confidently around kids and pets. Plus, it comes with 21 attachments that help you tackle everything from kitchen grime to car interiors, giving you a versatile tool for many cleaning tasks. What we like: powerful steam cleaning, heats up quickly, versatile attachments, chemical-free cleaning, large water tank. Number 4. Flagosex 2500W Handheld Steam Cleaner. The Flagosex Steam Cleaner is a powerful and user-friendly device designed to make your cleaning tasks easier and safer. With its 2500W power, it heats up quickly in just 15 seconds, producing high-temperature steam that effectively removes tough grease and dirt without using any chemicals, keeping your home safe for family and pets. The upgraded handle lets you control the steam intensity remotely, giving you flexibility to tackle different cleaning jobs with ease. Its large 1,600 ml water tank allows for up to 45 minutes of continuous cleaning, so you don't have to stop and refill often. Plus, it comes with a variety of handy accessories to help you clean every corner of your home and car efficiently. What we like: powerful steam output, large water capacity, quick heat-up time, multiple useful attachments, lightweight and compact. Number 5. Karcher SC3 Steam Cleaner. The Karcher Steam Cleaner is a powerful multi-purpose steamer that heats up in just 40 seconds to provide a naturally deep clean. It effectively eliminates grease and stains on various surfaces while killing up to 99.9% of common household bacteria and viruses without the need for harsh chemicals. This steam cleaner is versatile, allowing you to effortlessly clean different types of floors, windows, and mirrors. With its lamella technology, steam is evenly distributed for maximum cleaning efficiency, making your cleaning tasks easier and more effective. The set includes various attachments for different cleaning needs, providing you with a comprehensive cleaning solution. What we like. Effective for kitchen cleaning. Great steam output. Easy to use and clean. Various attachments available. Original product quality.